This is a view facing west from Azevada Park and towards Farwell Drive, where our proposed bike trail would start, and turning to face east, showing where the bike trail will continue. Azevada Park is to the right, and it will continue along the SFPUC Hetch Hetchy right-of-way towards Central Park. This is Azevada Elementary School, and Azevada Park is just beyond that. This is a view facing west where our proposed bike trail begins along the SFPUC Hetch Hetchy right-of-way. I'm turning to face east, where this bike trail will cross Lake Howe and continue on to along the Hetch Hetchy right-of-way towards Central Park. I'm at Sundale Drive facing west, where our bike trail continues. I'm turning to face east. Here is Daniel Christian Academy, which this trail would pass, and then continue east towards Noll Park, and then eventually Central Park. This is a view facing west. This is Noll Park, turning to face east, where you see Walters Middle School, the church, and then where the continuation of the bike trail would be along the Hetch Hetchy right-of-way. This is a view facing west. I am at Memorial Baptist Church, and the Hetch Hetchy right-of-way is by the fence line. You see towards the back of this view, it continues behind these apartments, the Park 88 apartments, and it would extend across Stevenson towards Central Park. I am at Blewett Street facing west, showing the Hetch Hetchy right-of-way where our bike trail will continue. I'm turning towards the east. You can see the stretch of the right-of-way where the bike trail will continue towards Fremont Boulevard. This is at Our Lady of Guadalupe School facing west towards Fremont Boulevard. The Hetch Hetchy right-of-way cuts across here and then continues behind the school building towards Central Park. I'm now facing east. This is a view facing west from Grimmer Boulevard, where the last stretch of the bike trail will run. See the Hetch Hetchy pipes. I'm turning west. Again, this is along Grimmer. At the end is where it connects to Paseo Padre and ultimately to Central Park.